I am thrilled to share with you that IDEA Statica 24 is available now. With its release, we celebrate a decade of making the right connections using CBFan. But we are definitely not showing any signs of slowing down. Why waste time on simple connections when the complex ones are where the fun is at? You can now design all your welds with a single button. When it's time to hand your work over, sketches are more readable and customizable. And by applying the concept of parametric templates, you can now design simple connections in just a couple of clicks. You will find them in your connection library. The parameters let you do even more though. You can build your own smart templates. Just enable the developer mode and simplify your complex designs. Choose which inputs to display directly in the design tab and watch the whole connection readjust itself with a single change. We are also addressing your needs at a regional level. You can switch between the weld leg size and throat thickness, design pins under Eurocode, PJP welds and even hooked anchors under AISC. And when I said we are not slowing down, the revolutionary 3D footings and walls design is currently in beta and undergoing a rigorous verification process. Test it out and see how you can finally take the actual reinforcement of a concrete block into account when designing footings. You need a detail license, and if you don't currently have one, the export button will take you to a landing page where you can access one for free. And you really should get your hands on the new Detail app. It's not just improved, it's on a whole other level. You can edit the diameter of multiple rebars at the same time, explore the results using the unified navigation tree, display the theoretical background in the report and customize it, and review and export your materials stress-strain curves. And then there is the new RCS API, which gives you the ability to, for example, write scripts to instantly get utilization ratios for different reinforcement layouts, or to plot the crack width based on the percentage of the load applied. In terms of data exchange, Checkbot is now completely free. Spread the word to your global structural engineers. Instead of sending you spreadsheets with connection forces, they can now download Checkbot, import their models, review the connection forces in the viewer, and share those files with you to design. To improve your IDEA Statica experience overall, your basic preferences are now shared across all our apps. Error messages alert you if there's a patch that fixes the error, and tooltips take you directly to the support center if you want to learn more about a given feature. Finally, if you are an enterprise customer, instead of creating and managing hundreds of user accounts, let your users sign in with their Microsoft or Google accounts and manage the single sign-on from the new user portal. IDEA Statica 24 is available now, ready for you to download and calculate yesterday's estimates.